Jatra, Yeyapuni is one of the greatest festivals observed by the Newa community. Ye means Kathmandu and Ya means celebrations. It is the biggest street festival. Inner Jatra is an 8-day long festival which falls on the month of September. It starts from 12th day of the bright fortnight to the 4th day of the dark fortnight, Bhadra Dwadasi to Ashwin Chaturdasi. This festival is celebrated to pray to Lord Indra and Dagini for good harvest and also remember the deceased family member. Inner Jatra commences by erecting 10-meter long flagpole Yesi, Thanegu or Indra Dwaja Rohan at the premises of Hanuman Doka Palace. Yesi, the flagpole is made from a pine tree specially selected and it is brought from a forest in Surya Binayak, Bhaktapur called Lingo Guthi Community Forest, previously called Nala Forest. It takes 2 days to drag the log 29 kilometers from Surya Binayak to Votaiti. On the day of Ashtami, the log is pulled inside the Hanuman Doka palace and remains in there until the day of Dwadasi, the first day of Yeya. The traditions of bringing and pulling the log is carried by Siamese and Madandars, and the ceremonial pole is erected at an auspicious time with puja and fanfare. A special banner is hung at the top, and the golden image of Indra sitting on an elephant is kept at the bottom. This celebration is followed by Mark's dance depicting stories about Lord Indra's visit to Kathmandu, his capture, and his release. The second part of the festival includes Kumari Jatra, the procession of the living goddess Kumari. This Jatra is believed to be started by Jaya Prakash Malla, the last Malla king. The Kumari Jatra lasts for 3 days. Along with the chariot of Kumari, chariot of Lord Ganesh and Lord Vairab will also be pulled by the locals around the different parts of the city. There are 3 different routes for 3 days. The first day of the Kumari Jatra is known as Kwaneya. The chariots are pulled through the southern part of the city. The second day, known as Thaneya, the chariots are drawn through the northern part. The third day, known as Nani Cheya, the procession passes through the central section at Kilagal. During the Kumari Jatra, Dagini, the representation of Lord Indra's mother, Lord Indra's white elephant Pulakisi, also make their appearances in different parts of the town. Majipa Lakhe, the protector of the children of Majipat, also make his appearance. Jalincha, the child who teaches Majipa Lakhe during the procession, is also seen in the crowd. Matabiye of Kumari Jatra. Matabiye means butter lamp. On the first day of the Kumari Jatra, the family gather and offer butter lamps to their deceased relatives and they march throughout the ancient Kathmandu city. During the festival of Inner Jatra, marks of Vairabs are displayed in many parts of the city. The Swet Vairab at the Kathmandu Darbar Square, Akas Vairab at Indra Chowk, and many other Vairabs marks are displayed. The mouth of Vairab is attached to a local wine with a pipe. Wine is released at the time of the chariot arrival. People put all their effort to get few drops of the wine. They think it has a holy blessing of the Vairab. The another main attraction of Indra Jatra festival is the display and lavish offerings of Samaya Bhaji in the streets and temples of Kathmandu. Later, it is distributed to the people. The Samaya Bhaji consists of beaten rice, slices of ginger, black soya bean, sauteed spinach, buff and eggs. On the last day of Indra Jatra, people pull down the flagpole Yeshi in a special ceremony known as Yeshi Kwathaleku. The pole is then dragged to the bank of river Bakoti and it's cut into pieces and burnt down. During Indra Jatra, 8 of the state and of the opposing guests grace the festival. and receive blessings from Goddess Kumari. Thank you for watching.